Today we have the RBC521L brush cutter in our pre-sale assembly. Finally, the tool on our table has no defects. So we'll proceed straight to assembly. Let's start by installing the upper gearbox. We'll install the backpack strap mount. Next, we install the shaft with the rod into the gearbox. It's important to align the holes on the rod and the shaft. We screw in a bolt into this hole and another one slightly lower. We install the blade that shortens excessively long trimmer lines. Now we move on to installing the guard. We install the lower gearbox, aligning the holes on it and the shaft. Now we need to install the attachment. We insert the washer, lock it, and screw in the spool. By the way, this trimmer comes with 2 discs included. The final touch is installing the handle mount and the handles themselves. We tighten the last screws and the trimmer is ready.